Hey everyone, I hope you guys have had a great week and are looking forward to another great week of trading ahead. In this video, I want to go over the premium and the discount zones for you. So for those of you who trade utilizing the candle filter strategy or whatever strategy that you use, you need to know where you're at on the market, whatever time frame that you're in, whether you're in discount or whether you are in premium. I will tell you, this is a concept that I wish I had learned a long time ago. It would have saved me a lot of time. It would have saved me a lot of headache. It would have saved me a lot of losses because I would have known, not to try to sell in a discount area, not to try to buy when I'm in premium. And these are rules that I use myself right now to help me be a lot more successful than I was way back then. So basic market structure right here. You've got kind of your low that's been established. You've got a higher high, you've got a higher low, and then a higher high that's been set here. So what I would do back then is I would grab my fib, put it from the low to the high, and then this area right here is your 50% area. This is your EQ area. So anything in this range through here is your premium area. Anything down here is your discount area. You want to buy in discount and you want to sell in premium. And like I said, I wish I'd have known this a long time ago. With my own experience, I would be, not knowing where I was at the time, just watching price action or what I thought I knew was price action at the time. I was selling in discount, I was buying in premium, and I was just getting burned left and right and getting frustrated. And again, this is all before I learned ICT's concepts. So I'm just giving you guys a little history of me just getting rocked, a while back when I was trading before I felt like, and I'm still learning every day, but before I felt like I really understood what was going on. So, and I still use the fib a lot nowadays. I still sometimes check, fair value gaps. I'll throw this fib on the fair value gap to see where the CE is. And of course now TradingView has made that line through the middle, which is very helpful. But anyway, up here's premium, up here's discount. This is the old way I used to do it. What I use now is an indicator made by Lux Algo. It's called Smart Money Concepts. All this is turned off. And if you'll come down to the bottom, I check these zones here. And then what that does is if you got a blank chart here, all of a sudden this will come on and it will tell you dynamically where you are at any time on a chart and at any time frame chart that you want to look at. So I can look at the daily, I can look at the weekly, I can come down to the 5 minute, I can go to the hour, and I will know exactly where I'm at, whether it's in premium and whether it's in discount on the chart. And like I've said in previous videos, when you buy in discount and then when you sell in premium, when you're way up here like this or way down here like this, those are A+ setups, because I guarantee if you go to the lower time frame, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, when this guy is in discount here, your lower time frames are going to be in discount, and that's going to be an A+ setup. And this is exactly what happened here on Thursday morning. Let me get out of this window here and go to replay mode. So you got this going on at the time. I'm not sure what happened or if this was news or something that happened all through here. So you had a huge spike or huge drop here. You had a huge spike here. Took out everything basically left and right. So as this morning was going on, and again, I'm focused on EU and GU for this day with the US banks being closed, so I wasn't even looking at indices. My focus was on these two pairs, and I'm kind of watching things, and I went ahead and I saw this, of course, this huge drop because it was on a downtrend. Saw this huge drop and went ahead and set an alert for here, just thinking, well, you know what, if it takes it, we'll see what happens. So as the morning progressed, it's going, it's going, it's going. And then boom, we sweep this liquidity right here. Let me just blow it up a little bit more here. So we sweep this liquidity. I'm watching the next candle to see what happens. whether it's going to go down even further. If it keeps going, obviously I'm going to look at another liquidity area, maybe here or something on down further. But then I get this shoot up here. Get this guy on here. Yeah. I get him lined up. So we got a liquidity sweep here. We've got an opposing candle. Again, utilizing the rules of the candle filter strategy, we've got an opposing candle here. So I went ahead and put the fib on. And I've got my area set here. And then this is the trade that I set my my limit order for the 70 area, and it came down but just missed it by a hair and never took off. So I went ahead, let me just play it here. I mean, you can see how it just came down. I mean, just came right there, just right there, and never hit it and executed. But when it came down and started going up again, I was like, and I hit the buy button and got in. And so at that point, let's hop down to the lower time frame here. And if you guys remember me looking back on the my screenshot on my X account, I was talking about this. So I'm in at this point. I'm looking back up. It's a holiday. I'm not going to be in this for long. So I put my area right up here for my take profit, and I just let it run. I went ahead and set my stop loss on my other position, and then just went ahead and was like, let me see what happens, and it took it out right there. So again, premium and discount areas, go grab this indicator from Lux Algo. Let's see, it's the stuff I used to use. I don't even use this anymore. Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. Go grab this guy, put it on your chart, and it will show you where you are at any point in time, at whatever time frame chart that you're looking at. And you got some people out there that are like, well, don't be using indicators. You need to keep your chart clean. Listen, you do whatever works for you. I've seen traders that are killing it that have EMAs on their charts, that have other things on their charts. I don't care. You shouldn't care. Do what works for you and makes you profitable. This is the only indicator I use. Sometimes I'll take a look at the EMAs, like the 100 or the 200, kind of see where things are at for the day. But this is the only one that I have on. And as you guys could see from the options here, there's other things that you can turn on in here, but I've chosen to turn all these off and just only have the zones on here because there's other things that I want to look at. I'm looking at order blocks in here. I'm looking at fair value gap areas. I'm looking at things through here as the chart, as the trade progresses, and going from there. I will make another video coming up soon about risk to reward and what I'm looking at. I want to talk about that a little bit, and if you guys are not familiar with standard deviations, you need to take a look at that. I will see if I can find the video for that and put it in the comments. I'm pretty sure that's in the core content of ICT, and I know T-Trades has got some great videos on that as well, so I may link those as well. But that will also help you target where you want your take profit to be. Obviously, you're looking at other liquidity areas that it wants to take, because once it sweeps, liquidity, it wants to go and turn back up and take out the next area of liquidity, and then obviously, hopefully it wants to draw back up here and take this out. But again, main point of the video is just to show you about the premium and discount areas. I hope this makes sense for you. I hope it will help you. And like I said, put that indicator on, turn on the zones, and get it on here. And that way, when you're on the 15-minute chart and then you drop down lower, you'll see where you are at any point in time on the chart. So again, like I said, it's kind of a basic concept. It's one that I wish I had learned or had been taught a while back, but it's okay. We're all learning every day. We're all in the same boat, learning every day, and we're here to be successful. So if I can help you guys out, that's great. There's other people that have helped me out, so I just want to turn around and just continue to pass it on to you guys as well in whatever I know. So hope this helps you guys out. Again, premium and discount areas when you are using the candle filter strategy. Let me jump back up to the 15. Again, just to recap, and what I look at with the 4 pairs that I trade, EU, GU, US 30 and NASDAQ, is I'm looking for areas where it's getting really low in discount or it's really high in premium. And then of course, sometimes just as long as I'm in here, then I will be buying. I will not be selling. So anyway, hope this has helped you out, guys. And if you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. But you'll probably get a quicker answer if you hit me up on X, and I can talk to you there as far as answering your questions there. All right, you guys have a great week ahead. Looking forward to another great week of trading, and let's go get it. All right, guys, have a good week.